Hello guys, hello ladies, Mr. Campi. You see a space here? We forever do nothing. I want to show to you guys how you can do roof here. You see that here? When you take a shower here, water can spray here. Alright? And like I do here on the skylight, you see that? I seal it here good here. Alright. You wanted this, you're gonna need some. Start with shingle here. Alright guys. You're gonna need a scissors to cut it. See, have it like a 1 inch here on top of the bottom one. And you're gonna need a tape measure. Alright guys. And then we're gonna use a caulk too. Alright, because you want this thing look good, be sure no water go in between here. See my stuff I have there, a lot of thing guys. And this thing, like I say, be there forever, do nothing guys. Alright, and then we're gonna do caulk here. All around, caulk here. Alright, you see, you need a little caulk, anti-glue. Because here it's sticking good, but this section here, no. Alright, okay, let me continue. Like I say, you measure it. Measure for here, 1 inch on top, and this guy here is 5 inch guy. And then you cut an angle here, 45, and ready guy. This job guy is very easy. You see that you remove the sticker here, there's a paper there. Right. See the side I cut, I'm gonna see because it's gonna be right there on top of the caulk guy. Alright, you see that? With a little pressure guy. I'm not touching here one another because I want to use a little caulk here guy. I want to be sure nothing in between. If I touch it here, I'm not gonna be able to use a little caulk guy. Alright guys, you see here the forest is not touching all the way to the wall guys, you see. So this piece is gonna be mounted on top of this. Alright guys, you see that? That's the way it's looking guys. Because if I continue this line here straight, this piece is gonna be no balance there guys. So I'm gonna mount it here on top of this shingle here. Alright guys. Alright guys, before you doing caulk here, you remove the flash each shingle guy. Alright. In this case, recommended to do this here first, alright, all around. You need to have a saw ready. See here, you cut your caulk very thin guy, alright, because you don't want to mix it up too much, alright guy. And the caulk here fry, put something in between so the caulk can not go in between. Alright guys, that's the way it looks now. Alright, you just be sure to be even here, alright guys, because let's say somebody come with your family, a little hole, put your finger like your hand like this, I'm never gonna cut with the edge of the chingo, guys. Plus I'm gonna do cocky here all around, guys. Alright, guys, you see this here? This is extremely important, guys, because when that's you are kind of weather cold and hot, a lot of water serve here and water go between here, guys. And right here, guys, is a wood, plywood. Imagine the water go here. When you take a shower, it's taking me a long time to repair all this area here, guys. And this is the finished job, guys. You see that? Maybe a little dirty here. Once it's dry, you can take a soap, clean it up good, guys. You see everything is sealed there. So if the water spray there, no problem, guys. Alright. Now, next job. We have 1, 2. You see that there, guys? Danger, guys. Very danger. You need something like that. Alright. Plastic spatula. And remove this thing here, guys. This is danger, guys. See? So clean it up very good. Put a new one. But in order to stick it good, guys, come in like a 20 on the packet, believe. Yeah. 24 pieces. Alright, first of all, you're gonna clean it up very good, guys. And never do with metal, guys. You might need something like that, guys. Material. See that? Go like this. Remove all of them. Some soap and clean it up very good and dry before you stick this new material, guys. I use a thinner, guy, to remove all the glue, right? Extremely dry, and you can touch with your hand and not feel no glue no more. Alright, have to be extremely dry, guy. I go with the spatula, with the thinner, and come in. Alright, because you want to do a good job, guys, you have to be very clean before you do the sticker here, right? Alright. You can feel the glue, it disappeared. Nothing hard to see. Alright, everything clean. Alright, guys. Maybe one here, maybe 9 pieces. Alright, dry first, clean it up very good, guys. It's a beautiful job, guys. You see that? You can step on it. Secure, guys. If you're new to live on a camping, you see the brush there? This thing is very important to have, guys, because when you open the door, you need the water before you open the door. Go with the brush. The other way, when you open, all the water here, it comes down to the floor, guys. Alright. Did one job, 2 and 3. Extremely people, they don't know that can cause damage, guys, because if you sleep there and not secure, then you have to be safety, right, okay? When you take a shower, just like that. Like there, guys, you never know how much water going between and the plywood here. You can have a problem. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope this video helped someone. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Hasta la vista, baby.